Hey there, Mick Brown here, entrepreneur and online marketer. I'm really excited to share with you SalesFlow, a totally new lead generation system that is going to blow up globally. You're probably taking a first look at it. We just launched May the 1st. I'm blown away in a big, big way. Let me know whether you're blown away. I'm going to share with you how to acquire business partners or customers who will be interested in Forex. All right, let's get right into it. Okay, so here's the back office. Here's my back office. First of all, we input the criteria. Wherever you want that prospect to be located, you put here city, province, country. Let's just go United States. All right. I'll put in United. It's going to give me options. Let's go with states. All right, that's all we need. Don't need to get any granular than that. But if you want to get more granular, you have the ability right here. Let's put Forex. See what comes up. Forex trading, Forex trader. Let's just go Forex. Simply, actually, no, let's go Forex trading. Someone who's interested in Forex trading. Okay. Gender can be any, I don't care. But if you want to get granular, as I mentioned, excuse me, company, you can even input a company, job title, industry, education, age, totally up to you, but I always say less is more. All right, let's search. There's a 2 billion prospects in these databases here. So there's a lot of people. All right, it's going to take a few seconds to populate. Here we go, Brandon Casteller. Let's view this individual. We have a lot of contact information. We have email, phone, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, his age range, his actual birthday, the year of birth anyway, mail, additional emails, and all the interests here. All right, so let's launch SalesFlow. Click next. I always like to reach out initially via LinkedIn. Social media is the best place to initially reach out, especially the fact that this is cold. All right, I don't know this individual. I've got all the information of this individual, and LinkedIn is a platform for business. So let's go LinkedIn. Now, check out the message library. NowSite have input a ton of different messages for all sorts of objectives here. Build rapport, present, book meeting, close sales. All right, tone, whether you want it to be direct, friendly, informative, casual, confident, and languages. French, German, Spanish. It's incredible. So let's just use this one. You know, you can also have your own messages. They've checked out these messages. They've tested the messages. These messages do work. This is pretty simple. Hi, I see that we have a lot of common interests. Hoping to add you to my network. Boom, there we go. Let's put his name in. I always like to put a person's name in just to sort of be personal. And another great thing I like to do too is to put an attachment in there. All right, I've got a ton of attachments here, and the beauty of putting an attachment is that it's linked to you. So if you have a video, let's say you're with a Forex company, you have a video, you have something, you can actually add that here. All right, it's as simple as that. Now I'm going to add my affiliate link here. I'm an affiliate with this company because it just made sense. All right, so here's the affiliate link. Let me just put it up here. Okay. And that can have whatever information you want. All right, but the beauty of it is that anytime they click that link, you're going to get a notification on your phone that they've actually opened that link, essentially opened that message. I'm going to send this like so. It's as simple as this. It's going to open up LinkedIn. Once LinkedIn is open, I've only got the basic LinkedIn as well. I don't have the Pro. If you have the Pro, you've got more options, but you don't really need Pro at all. My internet is a little slow, so please forgive me. Click on More. Once you've clicked on More, it's going to give you... Let's try clicking on More again. Again, please forgive me, my internet. What's going on with my internet? Here we go. Click on Connect. It's going to remind me of the song. There we go. Add note. Paste. Boom. Simple as that. Brandon, as my intro, he's got a link now. It's totally up to you. I don't always send a link on the first connect. All right? I just want you to see that if you want to know that they've actually seen your material, all right, you will get notified if you do send a link. So that link could have your your signature in it. It doesn't have to be salesy or anything like that. I go back to my back office. Did you send the message successfully? Yes, I did indeed. And there's a follow-up calendar, defaults to 7 days out. What's my excuse me? What's my next objective? My next objective is to introduce a product. You know, have a little bit of rapport with them. Add a note if you want. Book them down. Oh, that's done. One person down. As simple as that. All right. Now that I've already input the criteria and I want to get a few more of these, I don't have to go back in here and edit the search criteria. I can just click the magenta button here, get prospect. And I'm going to do this little quick. I don't have to explain as much here for you. This guy's Michael Myers. Hopefully not the Friday the 13th guy. Let's go LinkedIn again. Same deal, yeah. Let's just use this simple script, you know, and I could add. Actually, you know what? Let me show you another script I've got here. It might be better for this individual. One of my scripts. I like the fact that it says they've got a lot of interest, but I want you to see a ton in here. Here we go. I like this one. Okay. Hi, Michael. Mick here. Let me just input this. Mick here, and I'm looking to expand my network with fellow professionals like yourself. I've found a way to get high-quality, targeted leads for any type of business. Check out the 1.49 minute video below. Have a great day either way. Here you go. So look, then I click on attachment. I click on the video. It's as simple as that. All right, I click send. It opens up LinkedIn. You can do this in 30, 40 seconds. I know some have done it even quick. So how many prospects can you go through in a day? You get 100 leads for $49. There is a huge promo on right now, but it does end today, so you may not catch that. Where you can add an extra $37.50 and you get unlimited leads. And that's what I have. I have unlimited leads, which is incredible. All right, it is as simple as that. Ready to SalesFlow. All done. All right, there's SalesFlow. If you have any questions, get back to me. All right, take care. Bye-bye.